Closures and Fasteners. Introduction to Closures and Fasteners. Closures in tailoring consist of buttons, hooks and other similar fasteners. In sewing, closures come as part of the finishing touches to complete a garment. You should know that the closure type and arrangement influence the appeal that the garment gives. So it is very important that you pay full attention while fixing a closure to a garment. This chapter will assist you in learning how to fix a 2-hole button, 4-hole button, reinforced button, shank button, snap button, hook and eye. In addition, the chapter also helps you in learning to make buttonholes and thread bars. Once you have acquired these skills, you will be able to identify the right type of closure for a fabric and will be able to fix it to a garment aptly.